welcome to Up Film with Fun TV. And today we're going to be opening Pop It, and it's a trendy thing on TikTok, which I opened one on TikTok, so guys should go check it out. So let's get opening. Wait, there's a checklist to show you how you play. So Dad, how about you?
I'm Target tomorrow because they got the teens in there, and I got to have super 40 tomorrow.
Okay, so explain them how to play the game.
Okay, let's see. While you get it out, I'm gonna explain them how to play the game.
LOL surprise teens. Okay.
It includes one Pop It game board. For junior poppers ages 3 to 6, Pop It provides great sensory interaction and keeps kids engaged and little hands busy, because little hands enjoy popping the bubbles, and let's face it, big hands do too. The last one lost game.
Oh, and also guys,
ages 6 plus. The goal is to be the player to force your opponent to pop the last bubble.
So guys,
How to play? We're gonna play a little game of it. Let's go.
So guys, here's the Pop It. It's yellow. We couldn't find any more at Target, but we found 2, which I have one too. And I have a Rubik's Cube. So here's the game, and let's start popping.
Pop it. 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 Pop it.
It doesn't sound too satisfying. Maybe the next time when I do it, it sounds satisfying. Do you hear that? So guys, this is what I like to do with my Pop It. I pop these on these sides, and then I start popping like that. That's my dogs, our dogs. Excuse me. And
if you had 2 players, it'd be better and lots of fun.
Yeah.
It's just a demo of the game.
Well, my mom is here, but
A sample, you know. But maybe next time we'll get it and we'll play
with
1
2
versus
people.
1 or 2 versus 2 or however you want to do it.
With my mom.
We can get it in, and I'll probably beat everyone.
I think that's tape.
Yep, I'll probably beat everybody.
Pretty sure I would beat everybody. But thanks for watching. And I also hope if you could subscribe to my TikTok. And I hope you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.